So hello all, today in this video we will talk about next chapter of class 10, chapter 10 circles. The chapter is very easy and the concepts are very simple. So just try to understand it. Suppose if this is a circle, right? So we know that this is radius OAB. So OA is radius, AB is diameter, right? And if I take this line CD, CD is chord, right? And if I take this line EF, so EF is second, right? Second. So EF we know, CD we know, AB is diameter, right? OA is radius. So now if this is a line which touches the circle, right? So this is called tangent, PQ, right? So PQ is tangent to a circle. So this chapter is based on tangent and tangents to a circle. So there is a theorem 10.1. So that theorem states, so the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So let's just prove it. So if this is a circle, right, this is a circle, and let this be tangent to the circle, right, and this is O, center of circle. So let this point touches, P be the point of contact, and this is a point Q on tangent CD, right? So we need to prove OP is perpendicular to OQ, OP is perpendicular to CD, right? CD. So we need to prove that OP is perpendicular to CD, right? So proof. Now let Q be any point on tangent, right, outside the circle, right? So if this is any point outside the circle, so that means, and P is point of contact, right, on the circle. So we know that OP will always be less than OQ because OP is radius, and this OQ, because this Q point is outside the circle. So if this point is outside the circle, so that this distance will always be greater than radius of circle. अगर ये distance, अगर ये Q point सर्कल के बाहर है तो ये हमेशा रेडियस से तो बड़ा ही होगा, क्योंकि रेडियस कितनी होगी, रेडियस तो इतनी ही तो होगी इस सर्कल की, और ये तो एक्स्ट्रा चलना पड़ रहा है, और यही रेडियस किसके इक्वल है, OP के इक्वल है. तो OP is always less than OQ, right? So or we can say OQ is always greater than OP. So this implies OP is shortest distance from O on CD. इस CD लाइन पे O से शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस कौन सी है, P है, OP, क्योंकि बाकी सारा Q चाहे सर्किल के बाहर अगर होगा तो वो हमेशा OP से तो बड़ा ही होगा OQ. So this implies shortest distance is always perpendicular, so OP is perpendicular to CD. Simple. Hence proved, because shortest distance from a point on a line is always perpendicular. So this is theorem 10.1. Now with the help of theorem 10.1, let's solve this exercise. So how many tangents can a circle have? So a circle can have infinite number of tangents. How? A circle can have infinite number of tangents. So I'll show you here. So if this is a circle, right, so this can also be a tangent, this can also be a tangent, this can also be a tangent. So n number of tangents it can have, right? Infinite number of tangents. Next we have, fill in the blanks. A tangent to a circle intersect it in dash point. So a tangent to a circle intersect it in one point, because दिस इज ओनली अ सिंगल पॉइंट, राइट, वन पॉइंट. टेंजेंट किसी भी सर्किल पे एक ही पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगी. नेक्स्ट, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called, a line which intersects a circle in 2 points. So a line intersecting a circle in 2 points, right, 2 points, so that is called secant. EF is secant, so secant is answer. Next, a circle can have dash parallel tangents at most. So how many parallel tangents a circle can have? 2. So 2 parallel tangents at most. A common point of tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact. Common point to a tangent of circle and a circle, this point is called point of contact, right? Next, a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Exercise 10.1, question number 3rd. So a tangent PQ at point P, Q, P, right, this be P and O, radius is 5 centimeter, so this is 5 centimeter. OQ is 12 centimeter, so this is 12 centimeter, right? So find the length PQ, so this we have to determine. Now we know that OP is perpendicular to OQ, OP is perpendicular to PQ. Reason will be tangent to a circle is perpendicular to radius, right? Tangent to a circle is perpendicular to radius, so this is perpendicular. Now let's apply Pythagoras theorem. So OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. So OQ is 12 square is equal to OP is 5 square plus PQ square. 144 minus 25 is PQ square. So PQ square is 119. So PQ is under root 119. So root 119 is D option. Option D is correct, right? Next, draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is tangent, the other is secant to a circle. So draw a circle and draw two lines. So EF and PQ. EF is secant and PQ is tangent and both are parallel. This is question number 4th, right? Just draw two line segments EF and PQ on the circle. This is question number 4. So this is how we have completed exercise 10.1. Now let's move on to next theorem, theorem 10.2. This is next theorem. The length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So this means if this is a circle, right, and these are two tangents from an external point P, this is O, A, B. So to prove, we need to prove that AP is equal to BP, right? AP is equal to BP. So let's join it with the center, right? Right. So construction, join OA and OB, right? So proof. Now what do we have? We know that OA, join OP also. So we know that OA is perpendicular to AP and OB is perpendicular to BP. Reason is tangent to a circle is perpendicular to radius. Reason is tangent to a circle is perpendicular to radius. So OA is perpendicular to AP and OB is perpendicular to BP, right? So let's start with in triangle OAP and triangle OBP. Let's call it equation 1, equation 2. So we know that OA is equal to OB is equal to radius, right? Radius of circle. Also OP is equal to OP common, and angle OAP is equal to angle OBP is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree reason is from equation 1 and 2, right? So by RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side. So by RHS we can say triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. So by CPCT we can say what? AP is equal to BP. Hence proved. So this is our theorem 10.2, right? So based on these two theorems, this whole chapter is about. So we will discuss exercise 10.2 in the next video. We'll start exercise 10.2. So just be in touch. Thank you for watching the video.